Hey guys, Chris here from Purex Car Care Products. Today I just want to introduce an addition to our range, which is the Purex Tar and Bug Remover. A really simple product for removing that dirt that's just a little bit harder to remove than normal. Particularly those bugs, you know, if they've ended their wonderful life at 100 kilometers an hour on the front of your car, it's often hard to actually get them off your headlights and your paint. So I'll give you a quick demo. Again, it's a really simple product to use. Simply spray on. Leave on for a couple of seconds. Now going to be working on removing the bug or any other grime from the surface of your headlights or your paint. Again, you can leave it on as long as you feel necessary, depending on how disgusting that mark is, and then simply using your microfiber towel, you're just going to remove the dirt away. Again, a lot of people find these really hard to get off, but as you can see with the tar and bug spray, they come off with very little effort at all. Some people will then go over the surface with our waterless wash detailer, but as you can see, it's a really simple process to remove those stubborn bugs.